Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create meeting links in Microsoft Teams. So to do that, first all you have to do is click on new meeting and give your meeting some title, and set the date for the meeting, and here you can set your time. Similarly, you can do this over here as well. So here you can set the range, and over here you can add the location, and then just click on save, and there you go, the meeting has been created. Now all you have to do is copy this link and send it. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more.